Hello friends, welcome to Doubt Forum. This question is, suppose an attractive nuclear force acts between two protons, which may be written as F equals Ce power minus Kr whole divided by R square. And in the first part of the problem, we are asked to find the dimensional formula as well as the SI units for the terms C and K which are used in this nuclear force formula. So let's solve the first part first. So I'm just rewriting the force formula as F equals Ce power minus Kr divided by R square. So in this formula, F is representing the nuclear force, which is always attractive in nature. This R is representing the distance between the two particles, and here those particles are the protons. So the unit of R would be in meters. Here this E is representing a mathematical constant, and it is a dimensionless quantity. So its power should also not have any dimension. I am just rewriting the power as Kr. So this Kr should not have any dimension as well as units. The unit of R is in meter. When the unit of R is in meter, so the unit of K must be 1 upon meter. Then only it will cancel each other. So the unit of K would be meter inverse. When the unit is known to us, we can easily find the dimension as L minus 1. So the unit of K is meter inverse as well as dimension is L inverse. Now coming to this C term, I'm just rewriting this equation as C equals Fr square divided by e power minus Kr. So in this formula, the numerator is Fr square and denominator is e power minus Kr. Here this denominator is a dimensionless quantity. So if we want to find out the unit for C, its unit would be Newton meter square. The unit of C would be Newton meter square. And we can also write the dimension as Newton is mLt minus 2 and meter square is L2. If we simply combine, we will find mL3t minus 2. So this would be the dimension of C. Coming to the second part of the problem, the value of K is given to us as 1 Fermi inverse, and 1 Fermi is nothing but 10 power minus 15. So its inverse is the value of K which is given in the question. So the value of K would be 10 power 15 meters. This is given in the question. One condition is also given, that the repulsive electric force between the protons. The electric force here would be repulsive in nature because this electric force is acting between the two same charges. And this electric force is balanced by the attractive nuclear force. So here this electric force is repulsive in nature and the nuclear force is attractive in nature. The separation is 5 Fermi. So here the separation, that is R, is given to as 5 Fermi. So this would be 5 into 10 power minus 15 meters. So under this condition, the repulsive electric force between two protons is just balanced by this nuclear force. So all we have to do, we have to equate the electric force with the nuclear force, and we have to put the value of K as 10 power 15 and the value of R is also known to us. So let's equate the repulsive electric force with the attractive nuclear force. The formula of nuclear force is given to us in the question. So let's say this is Fn. So this Fn is balanced by the repulsive electric force. This is Fc, that is the Coulomb force between these two charges. The formula of Fn is Ce power minus Kr divided by R square. And the formula for this repulsive electric force would be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Here this Q1 and Q2 are representing the charge on the particles. In this case, both the particles are proton, and we all know that the charge on the proton is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. So let's solve it out. This R square and R square will cancel each other. So this would be C into e power minus K is 10 power 15. It is given in the question. So this is 10 power 15 meters into R. The value of R is given to us as 5 Fermi. So this would be 5 into 10 power minus 15. So this is the left side of the equal, and on the right side the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9 into this Q1 and Q2 would be 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 whole square. This 15 and 15 would cancel each other. So this would become C into e power minus 5. This would be equal to, so if we just take the square of this value and multiply with this, we will get 23.04 into 10 power minus 29. And as we have to find the value of C, so we will keep C one side and we will be sending e power minus 5 on the right side of the equal. So this would be e power plus 5. And the value of e power plus 5 is 148.41. And if we multiply all these numbers, we will get the value of C as 3.419 into 10 power minus 26. The unit of C we have already found out, and the unit is Newton meter square. So this would be the second part of the problem. So thank you for watching. If you still have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Doubt Forum. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.